Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video, I will explain what I ever done in like last few videos. Means last all video, like 100 plus video I ever done inside School Management System. So what I ever done, and to explain about the introduction about this video, what's that we did inside this projects. So I can clear everything one by one how it works, so anybody can do this project, so he can do it. This reason I need to create for this introduction video for the first video, because this is the last video, not last video. I need to create some more video, but I just need to explain how it's work. Suppose you are new in this channel, in this series, so please subscribe and please hit the bell icon so you get a notification. Okay, so let's log in as an admin. So first of all, we are done in this project like a login and forget password. So you can do it like a forget password, also you can do it like a logins. Let's log in as an admin, so you can see it one by one. This is the like simple account, admin@gmail.com, and password is a 123456. It's a like simple. You are creating this project so you can understand easily. Okay, so I just log in now. So once you can log in, after you can see it here like a dashboards. So dashboard inside I have made like all time received a payment, today received a payment, total student, teachers, parents, admin, exam, class, and subjects. So I have made all the calculation inside dashboards. Okay, and here like a messaging system. Suppose do you want to do like anybody can send a message, so you can also do it here a messaging system. This reason we did here like a messaging system. Here is all is testing data, no any real data. I can tell you against, and here you can see it like online offline status also using the cache. Okay, let's go to again dashboards. This is the set system I have explained how it works. After I can tell you how we can send a message. Suppose I need to go like admin menu. So admin menu how to work? Suppose do you want to create like new menu, means a new admin, like add new admin. So you can do it like add new admin. After you need to make a filtering, add it, delete also there here. Suppose do you want to chat for this admin? So just you need to click on the send message. You are clicking. So open the like the tools, means like this windows. You can write your message and after you can send. Suppose like I can type like hi, and whatever do you want to add like emoji, so you can also add emoji. So do you want to upload the files, images, whatever do you want to upload, so you can upload here and you can click on the send button. So it's just sending the message like without refreshing everything there. Okay, after I go to like teachers menu. So teachers menu, so do you want to add in your school more teachers, so you can add your teachers. So this teacher is all is testing data. You can see it every place is a test. Okay, because the YouTube privacy policy, this reason I am always using testing data. So here also like a add new teachers, edit teacher, delete teachers, and also you can find out like a search filter. Or also do you want to talk to your teacher, so just click on the send message, so you can talk to teacher directly and teacher can receive the message. I can show you how it's work inside teacher side, so don't worry. Okay, after you can find out like a fourth menu, students. So student how it's work. So student side same, like your school is a multiple student there, so just click on the add new students. So add new student, inside you need to add like all the information about the students, so you can see it. Also we have provided like class. So do you want to add which class again this student, so also you can find out drop down class. This is the class you need to add inside like a academies. Inside you can find out like a class menu, but I will explain, so don't worry about that how it's work class. So students, you can see it like add, edit, deletes, and also you need to send a message to students, so you can also do it here. Okay, this is the meaning about like send message. Now we need to go like a parents module. So parents module how to work. Suppose some students is like 2 parents, 3 parents, so you need to choose. So parents is like add, edit, delete is all is testing data, and here also is there like a send message, and here you can see like a my student. Suppose this parents, what is the total students? So suppose you can click on the my student, so you can see it like a his students. After do you want to delete for this parents again for this student, so you can delete button, just press the delete button, so this is the deleted. Also you can make a filtering and here reset buttons. Okay, so how to assign to parents? So simple, just go to student list and you can add it, otherwise add. So you can see it here like a parents drop down. Here is the parents. Okay, we did not here, just go to parents and here we make it like a add new parents. So I think we did any place, because I right now 1 minutes like student insights. Here's the parents, I edit and just search the parents. Okay, just go to student list and I can see it here any place. 1 minute, I go to parents again, like my students, and I can see it. Where is the 1 minute? I just find out where I did. Let's go to like and let's say my parents, my students, sorry. Okay, it's a very clever way I did this reasons because I forget where I did. Just go to my students. After you need to search like any student, like you can search like one and you click on the search, so you can find out here parent list. Suppose here is 40. Okay, I can search here 40. Just click on the search here, so you can see it like this parent. Do you want to add student to parents? You press this button, so automatic we can add here. But suppose already added, so we can show here like already added, like this message you can find out. Suppose you are seeing this video, so you can easily understand. Okay, so this is the parents module, like I already done, like a dashboard, admin, teachers and parents and students. Now we need to go like academies. So academies, how it works, like inside we need to like create a class, add new class, edit class and delete class. Okay, so we can do it like a add, edit, delete. And after we can go to like students, sorry, subjects. So subject inside also you can do it like a add, edit, delete. And also we did like a subject type like theory and practical, so you can use it. And also here you can find out like a reset button, add, edit and delete, same thing. Now this is the main part, like assign subjects. Suppose one class, you what a total subject, so you need to assign. Suppose you click on the add new assign subject, so just you need to use your class, and after you need to choose your subject. Okay, this is the class I need to assign for these subjects, and click on submit. So you can find out here like ss2 what is the total class subject there. So is a two subject there, you can see it here. And do you want to edit single, so you can edit the single class. And do you want to edit like a multiple, so you can also you can edit a multiple, you can see it here. So this is the also I have done in this assign subjects. So we know, okay, this is the student assigned for this class like ss2. So ss2 against what is the total subject there, so you can see it here like two subjects, social and mathematics, so you can see it. Okay, now is a class timetable. After I have started new module like class timetable, so is a class timetable, how it works. Suppose you can choose part time. After, do you want to choose like home economic, you can search here. So you can add a like a class timetable like a week like a student side. I can show you how it works, so don't worry. Suppose week, you can choose like Monday to Tuesday and all the week. After you need to add like start time, end time and room number, because we need to add room number. After I save means submit, so this is the data store inside database, and you can see it here, like you can see it message also showing class timetable successfully saved. And after we go to next one, because some teachers like teachers we have done, so we need to assign class for the teacher. So just go to assign class teacher, you click on the add new assign class teachers. So you need to choose like a class teacher. Suppose this is the class like part time, so you need to choose a multiple teachers. So part time, what teacher I need to assign. So we know, okay, this is the teacher for this class and this class is going to part time. So we know, okay, this is the part time assign is a teacher's name. So you can do it easily, these reasons. Okay, this is the assign class, same like class timetable I will show you. Okay, so we have done in this projects, proper way works. Now need to go like a fees collection. So how it's work like collect fee. So collect fee is very simple, just you can choose the part time and you can search here. So the part time inside you can see it like this is the already paid amount, this reasons. Suppose you can collect fees, so you can see it like a paid amount, not paid amount. After you click on add fees, so is the total amount fit paid amount like 15, so remaining about like 0. After you can add year amount, so you generate the errors. Right now is the remaining amount is a 0, so you can't paid. So here is works. Now what amount do you want to add inside, you can do it like inside suppose you are creating class, so you need to add new amount. Okay, for this class what is the money you need to ask, so you can see it like, okay, this class against I need to like one student need to pay like $2,000, $200, whatever do you want to write, you can write. And after is working inside a fees collection. Suppose you can make like search by class, so you can find out here like a class against all the students. Suppose you can search as a student id, name and last name wise, also you can see it. And also you can see total amount, paid amount and remaining amount, you can see it here. And this is the like a real time work, like you need to make a stripe payment gateway and PayPal payment gateway, we have already done inside like student sites and parent sites. I can show you, so don't worry about that. Okay, now you can go to like examination, sorry, collect fees reports. Let's first showing the collect fees report. So collect fees report, what is the paid amount, like this is the 14 student ID is the name is student 1, is a class name part time, total amount is like $30, is a paid 30, so remaining amount, all things showing the proper way. Suppose you can go to like specific user, like I can go to like student ID 14, so you can see it is a report. Before is a need to pay like a 150, so he pay like 20, so he's remaining 130. 130 after is pay like a 50, so he's remaining 80. So like step by step I already show you everything, how it's work and how it's like a our transaction works. So you can see it inside a collect fees report. Inside also you can see it like collect fees. Okay, now we can go like a next module like a examination, because examination also is a big module. Suppose you need to create a first exam, so this is the exam you need to create, like a add edit delete is same like a CRUD system. Okay, so just need to make add edit delete, and after you can make it like date wise, and reset function you can do it also here. Next we can go like exam scheduling. So exam scheduling, how to work, just you need to choose the exam, after you need to choose the class. So just you can search here. So this is the first terms, what is the subject there, so this is exam, and after you need to do like a like home economics, English, mathematics, and after you need to do is the exam dates, start date, end date, and after click on the submit. So what is the meaning, first you search like exam. Okay, exam we can get, what is the choose exam, our exam this, after we need to choose the class, so this class against and this exam against, so class wise we get this subject, because we have already assigned here like a subject for this class, so we can get the data, and after we can add here like information, like what's the room number, what's the start time, end time, and what's the date, and what's the passing mark and full mark. So I can make for this result. So this reason we need to exam results. Same thing we need to make like mark registration. So just you need to make like first terms, and after you need to choose the part time, so this part time against and this exam result against, what is the total student there, you can find out here listing. And here you can see it like all the subject there above, and after you can see like classwork mark, homework, test work, and exam work mark. You can save like a single, also you can save like a multiple. And once you can do it, like after I provide like a print function, you click on the print function, so you can find out here listing of the printing. You can see it like a results is a proper way work. Once you can make a print as a save as a PDF file, so you can see it here. Okay, so this is the work like a professional way, like a professional result. Okay, so don't worry about that, I already done, so you can see it. Okay, now we can go to mark grade. So we have provided here like grade system, so also you can short out is a grade system. So mark grade, how it works, I open already like mark grade. Let's go to mark grade, so you can see it like 90 to 100, so it's going to A grade. And also I add a created by, so we know who is creating for this like a grade 1. Suppose you can add a new entry, so we know okay this is the guy is created, so you can told him you are created, not I am created. So it is a very powerful work like a examination module. Let's go to next one is like a attendance. So student attendance, you need to choose the class, and after you can let's make a like a, you can choose like a today, and you need to make like attendance for this part time all the students. So you can do it here like present, late, absent, whatever you can choose. Automatic save inside database, because I have made like this. So this is the dates, and after you can make again filter, so already selected you can see it data, you can see it. So this is the student attendance. After you can go to attendance report, so you can see it also like attendance report like a present. After you can make filtering, you can see it here. Okay, let's go to now next tab like a communication model. So here is the we did like notice board. So do you want to make like a add new notice, so which receive this message, so student can receive this notice, parents also receive, and his teacher also receive the message notice. So we are provided like this tab who is a receiver for this notice. Okay, so this is the also done. Now go to send mail. So send mail, do you want to send, you can type subject, and also you can select two wise, you can search the name, like I can search any name here. So you can see it here is the teachers, parents. I also provided type like user type, same like we are creating table, so we are like 1 2 3 4 we have made a types. So you can see after who is receive this message, like suppose here is the or type this, suppose this is the guys also receive, otherwise specific user, otherwise do you want to make like message to all. Okay, here you can type subject, so this is the you can send a email for this specific user, otherwise need to send email to like all users, so you can do it all. Suppose you are not selecting here data, so it's just you can choose student, and after you can type, and after you can type here like a subject, also you can send message. Okay, this is the also done. Now is the next module like a homework. So homework, how it's works, suppose you can choose the homework, so add new homework you can do. So you can create like class wise homework, okay, for the student, and you can choose the subject. Suppose I can choose the part time. After automatic you can find out all these subjects, because we already done inside like a assign subjects. So once you can choose these subjects, after you can choose like homework date and submission date, and also into upload and description. Click on the submit. So this is the homework is going to this class against whatever student there, he can receive also subject against, okay, which subject he need to learn. So is the do it here, and also edit and delete and download the document once you upload it. On here you can see it like all the filter, and also you can find out here pagination. Suppose this is the like this student just submitted homework, so click on the submitted homework. So you can student submitted homework, you can see it here. Suppose anybody can student submit the homework, so you can see it. So this is the student is a submitted homework, so you can see it. I have attached my homework, and here you can download. So this is the also you can see it here. And after we did like a homework report, so here you can see like subject, and after you can scrolling, so submitted description, submitted date, and submitted document, and created date also. This is the created dates, and for these students, and this student is a submitted date. So also you can see it like a year filtering. So this is the we have done. Now we make like my account. So my account you can change his name and admin password. This is the only for admin. Suppose you can go like other guys, so you can do it. Same thing setting. This is the admin account I login. So setting inside you can add your like PayPal email address. This is the all testing data. Stripe public key, Stripe secret key, our logo. So I add like logo dog, whatever do your logo you can add. Also you can favicon icon. So here's a favicon icon. School name. So you can see school name you can add, and here you can see it like an exam description. So this is the exam description I need to show like examination. I click on the like mark registers, and I can search here, and I click the print buttons. So here I can show like an exam description, you can see it. Sometimes need to show, so you can add here like inside settings, so you can show it here. You can see it, you see whatever you are adding, so you can see it. And last tab is like a change password. So do you want to change password, so you can change the password for this your account, like old password and new password. So you change password. After is a logout. So do you want to logouts? Let's now log in the teacher's account. So teacher inside I can show you what I have made. Okay, so just go to teacher's accounts, and I copy this email, and all password I have set like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I just copy, and I log out now, and his password also 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I log in now. Let's all is I just make it close the tab. So teacher's account inside you can go dashboard, so you can see it like clear dashboard, like what is the total student, total class, total subject, and total notice board. And here is all is a linking one by one, you can go it. Suppose my student you can show, so is a class, you are assigning the class for this teacher, so teacher can see these the students. I already show you admin side. And also you can see it like a messages, so is a 25 messages you can receive, you can see it. So you can see it, all the message is sent by teacher, so here you can see it. Okay, it's like a chat system, whatever you message is received, so you can see it here. After you can refresh is showing the 0. So this is the like my class and subject. Suppose you can assign the class, so automatic is a part-time already one class assigned, and also ss2 class also assigned. So this is the you can find out his subjects, and after is the my class timetable you can add, so you can see it. Like suppose I can go to my class timetable, so you can see it here, and I will show here like a date wise, today whatever day there. So this is the day wise I can show you. Okay, today your time like 8 to 12 and room number 1. So you can understand, just need to go to my class timetable, and he can go it here. Okay, so it's not big deal. After go to my exam timetable, so my exam timetable you can see it like a part time. Okay, this is the exam table. After you can see it like a room number, your start time, end time. So you can go and you can check all students, they are not there, you know about that. And same thing ss2 like a class, and his exam name you can see it here. So this is the also done at my class exam timetable. Suppose you are following this series proper way, so you can see it here. Same thing I did like another module is a MyCalendar. So this is the MyCalendar means a full calendar. So full calendar inside I already show you like a class timetable, lots of thing I show you here like all thing. He can go to here like a day wise. So day wise you can see it. In to go to like week wise, so you can see it week wise. Month wise need to show is month wise. List wise need to show is a list wise. You can see it here. This is the I already done. So do you want to how I did? So you need to show last video, means you need to follow this series, all video you can see, so you can understand. And also we have provided like another module here like a mark register, so teachers can add his student mark. Suppose you can choose exam, and after you can choose the like a part-time like a class. Suppose here not there, so let's go to ss2. So you can see it, but this is the guys not there, like this is not showing the students. Like a second one, ss part times, suppose it's there, so you can see it. So you can see it like this is the exam inside class. So you can see it like a two subject you assign, so two subject mark only showed. Now also he can make it here printing, you can see it. Okay, so this is the also work very well, no issue. Now same thing, attendance, you need to put attendance same as the admin side we did. You can choose the class and you can choose the date, so you can put it attendance like a same, like you can see it, but it's not there. Suppose it's there student, so you can see it. Okay, it's very simple, not big deal. You can see it student there, and after you can see it like absent parents. Now automatic save here. Same, you can find out attendance report, and you can create after attendance report same as the admin side. Homework, you can see it also how we can do it. Homework, like submitted homework, you can see it. Notice board, whatever admin can add, this is the also you can see it, because I already explained like admin side, so same as here there. Okay, like this the notice board means like yes, admin can create a multiple notice, so you can see it here. Same thing, you can see it like my account, so he need to add first name, last name, all the detail. This is the all is testing data, so don't worry about that. And here you can make it like a change password, so you can change password after this logout button. Okay, let's log in now student account, and I can show you how it's look in student side. Okay, let's log in as a student now. So student1 at the test.com, because I know, so I just copy paste and I just add a like password 123456. So I sign in now, and once I sign in, so is a student side is a clearly you can see it. Also is a chat module, you can see it here. Suppose you can choose, and whatever you send a message, like parent also send a message, so you can do it like this. Okay, so chat module here there. After dashboard inside, you can see like total paid amount, total subject, homework, total submitted homework, total attendance, everything he can see it inside a dashboards. Like fees collection, suppose he whatever is paid, suppose do you want to add fees, so you can like a class, suppose is a class already assigned, once you can create an account, so always need to choose the class, which class against, so you need to assign the class. After you need to add a fees here, and here you can see it like a two payment gateway there, PayPal and Stripe. Suppose you submit the PayPal, so his PayPal is going to his PayPal account, means like a online payment gateway you need to attach. This is I already show you inside setting page. Okay, so this is the fees collection. After you can see it is the MyCalendar, so this calendar again, so you can see it what's the subject, which time you need to go, everything I can show you. Suppose you can watch this series, so you can understand. Same like whatever class assigned, so you can see it my subjects. Okay, it's a simple subject list. After you can see it like my timetable, so you can see it like home economics, what is the time, English language and mathematics, so you can see it here. Suppose some timetable here not add, this result not showing, suppose admin side you can add, so you can see it here proper way. After you can see it like my exam timetable, so first term what is the exam timetable, and you can see it like exam timetable, like you already assigned like a class wise, so you can see it here. Like my exam results, so also you can see it like result, what is the result you can receive. After here is a print button, so you can also make a print is a result, so you can see it's like a students. Okay, next one is going to my attendance, so admin and like a teacher provide whatever attendance, you can see it here. Same like notice board, whatever we send notice, so you can see it. This is the like all testing, and here you can see it like my homework, so whatever homework you received from the teacher, otherwise admin, so here you can see it like created by, suppose admin create to admin, suppose teacher create to the teacher name, you can find out. And after you click on the submit homework, and you can submit your document. After you can write your description, click on the submit, so it's going to submitted homework here. Okay, so last two homework you already submitted, so you can see it, because I have created, so I have added some testing data, this reasons. After go to my account, so he can see it like his personal information. This is the all testing data, he can change his profile, he can change his mobile number, blood group, height, weight, emails, all is testing data, because the privacy policy, so I just add like test, nothing else. And here he can change his account password, and also he can do it like a logout button here. Okay, so let's log out. Now the last one is remaining like parents, so I can showing the parents. So just go to admin account, and I just copy as a parent's email address because student email address I know, so I will log in directly. So just copy and I log out and I log in as a parents. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I just sign in. It's very simple, everything is not like big deals. So here is the parents inside, you can see it like he's a son and student, like what is the total attendance, like this you can see it here, notice board. It's very clear, and also you can see it like a chat message. Suppose you need to talk, he's like a student's son, daughter, whatever, so he can talk here. And also you can see it like my students, suppose whatever student assigned for these parents, like his daughter, son, so you can see it. And after you can see it like his subject for the student, suppose you click on the subject button, so you can see it his subjects. After same like exam timetable, same as like a student side show, so all thing you can see it like a fees collection, you can see it also. And he can also like add fees for the payment gateway, so his parents can pay the amounts, it's like online. Okay, so let's go to my students again, and here he need to send a message, so he can send a message. All thing like calendar, attendance, submitted homework, you can see it like homework also you can see it. All thing here showing. And my student notice board, because it's a student wise show, so is a his student against all the notice board you can find out here. After is a my notice board, so suppose you can send a like parent notice board, so you can see it like only parent notice board. So any meeting there, so you can send all the parent for the notice board, so you can read here and you can go and attach the notice. And after you need to go like his schools, college, whatever you need to go, so you can go it. Inside my account he can change admin, like his a personal information you need to change, so change here is the all testing data, so it's a dependency you need to change, no need to change, otherwise admin already added his a parent details. And after here you can see it's like his account change password, so you can change the password. And last button is like a logout button. So this is the project I have explained how it's work like a school management system in a Laravel, and I already done all the video, so you can see it inside a like a all series inside. So this is not part of this. So do you want to like all this series, means oh I have done all the videos, so do you want to develop one by one, and you need to watch the video and you can learn something new and you can develop. This is the reason I will show you is a demo, because this demo I can move like first in this series, so you can see it how it's work for this demo part 2. The introduction I will show, just I will write like I can do like this. Some part I already not write inside introduction, but here I will explain very well how it works. I hope do you want to like this demo, like introduction for this video, and do you want to start the developing, so it's good for me and good for you. You can learn a lots of thing new about how it's work real-time projects, and you can clear like lots of funda in your mind. Okay, how it's work this one, how to assign, so with category to subcategory work, so how we can do it. Same is here is like class to subject is the same thing, is like a category to subcategory. And I'm continue right now in like e-commerce, and also I am doing inside some video inside school management. So is there lots of video requirement like export system, so I can do all the report export system. So, but I can show you how we can do it. I hope do you want to like this video, and do you want to like, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more in our channel, so please subscribe and share your friends, so he can learn something and he can do his mind lots of things, because right now all the people going to IT field, so everybody need to learn. And thank you for watching.